Apparently this county has got only one laboratory, the Keruwea lab, one at the county hospital. All the others are kiosks. To room tu tunachukuliwa, others do not even have benches. Others do not even have floors that are supposed to be the floors that the kind of floor that the lab is supposed to have. All these others like Yamutogo benches hakuna. Kutus deplorable. So you're saying that they have to go and continue with the construction works that had been started in some of the facilities where the county had started constructing new laboratories, places like Kariko, Kithiga and others. How they were stopped? They had started before 2017. How the funds were diverted to other places, I don't know. But they stalled, they are not being built. Our officers are working in deplorable conditions, and we feel kabisa we are at risk.
Our workers are aware they are not ready to work in conditions that can predispose them to diseases, and they are not ready to work in a county where their welfare is not taken care of. So come the 7th day, I can assure you there will be paralysis totalis. They did not give orders to the doctors. The board gave orders to the government and the medical superintendent. Us now, we are giving orders to the doctors and other health workers. One of our members is culpable. I think that action is taken by the board and the county, but with great evidence. They said that they found the medical superintendent inebriated. What test did they do to ascertain that? A blood test, a stool test, a saliva test? All this is just trying to cover up and use us as scapegoat. No doctor can come from their house and certify the place that they work in.